I'm here at the beach with my buddy, and I just dropped my camera. Can you see like a really big crack there? I don't think you can see it, but there's a huge crack just above the lens. Big drop. Just the whole thing shattered. You want to see the remnants of the glass? Let me show you. Here. That's the remnants of my lens that dropped straight out from my camera bag onto the tar road. You can really see. Oops. Look at this. Oh, what's up, man? Did you find the place?
I think it's the same rock, but there's a lot of rocks in between.
So can we go through? Or
I'm not sure about how about the crate. You can go through, but for me to carry the luggage thing, you
let's
need
try.
to help
Let's
me.
try. Content, man. Content.
You okay with the rock?
Yeah. Whoa, that's a pretty narrow walkway.
Oh, give me the stuff. I'll hold it. Can I?
I don't think I can fit. I can't fit. I can't fit through this hole.
Wait, give me the rod. Give me the rod.
Rod giving you the rod. And the stupid camera bag. I can't pass through this rock.
Can you still fit it? No.
I got a backpack. That's why. Let me see if I can crawl. No, I can't. I can't crawl this one.
Tripod stand. The tripod stand.
Fine. I'll let go of my tripod stand.
Okay, just pass it back.
Level 10 IQ. Level 10 IQ. Oh, there we go. Okay, good content.
Give me the rocks. Box.
Let me see if I can balance myself.
Here we go. Oh, shit.
Oh no.
Hang on.
I'm sorry about that. Sorry. There's one more packet over there.
Yeah. Alright, got it. Long walk down.
Alright, dude, we don't care about the walk back club. Look at this view.
Not that view, too.
Whoa, fuck! That splash on my leg. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm just done hooking up these fishing rods. Yeah. And I left my buddy on clam duty.
Wow, very funny. Hardy har. Oh god, almost. Damn.
Look at that clam.
Oh my god. Disgusting. Why do I always get clam duty?
You know how to tie or not? You know how to tie this knot or not? Look at this.
I taught you that.
Professional grade
How am I
knot.
supposed to tie with clam juice on my hands?
Look at this knot.
You
That's a good knot, what?
show off.
Head on the back. You? Clam duty. Faster! Give me 10 clams now, son.
It's only 10 clams. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 10 already, lo.
Okay, good.
I'm getting real low, man. Get the fuck up and take the clam.
Okay, I'll take my clam. Oh shit, I gotta bend all the way down here. Okay, let me explain what happened, right? We got ourselves the sea hum, we got ourselves the hooks, but what we don't have is the weight. And when you don't have the weight, you can't cast it far away. So you literally just have to drop it right beneath you. So we're trying our best to find something like this.
Well, what other option do you have?
Fuck you. But I asked you buy
That's like
Lazada.
one bottle over
Didn't
there.
buy.
You use that also.
Fuck off.
They got big wood over there, dude. From this view, you can actually see you doing like that, lah. From here, you can see also. Hello! You can see that guy over there sitting there like a lonely bird. That's because he ain't catching any fish.
Dude, fucking in the sun lah. Aiyo.
Well, it's not my fault, is it?
Oh.
Cheers to a failed attempt at fishing.
Come back here, you took my hummus. Get back here, you bitch. This right over there, I see it. Come on, take the last bite. Take the last bite.
I mean, there's a fish over there,
Yeah. Take the last bite.
and you call it a bitch.
There's a thing, you see it? They're right there, they're right there. Come on, take it. Take it.
Where's the fish?
It's right there. You see that? You see that? It's so murky, you can't see it. You see that? See,
What?
see, don't over there. Oh,
I don't see any fish, you dimwit.
you idiot, you blind laddie. Yeah, you got what's that?